Okay, my people, welcome to Serious Matters. I just to say, make I do this serious matter where the matter meets me. You see, say I no enter studio this time around because say now here the matter meets me, and I choose to just do do justice to the matter. Issue of electricity, where say then I mean if say you don't check our website, if you don't see say federal government don't talk say they want probe. Obasanjo regime, the one probe. That's $16 billion we then take award contracts on top electricity. If I don't go mince words, I go you go agree with me, say electricity no be just anything. Now one major biggie where we get for this country be that. And now one reason where they say, businesses know the thrive. Plenty organizations have don't carry them kaja, they don't carry all their load come up for Nigeria. I know if they mention names here, because they don't pay me for advert. Okay, well, on that was just on a lighter mood. But then a lot of people wait for don't start certain type of business. They don't fit start them. People just go abroad, go sit down for abroad. They know if you can't do anything for house because say the environment no dey enabling. If you don't watch my interview with one of our generals where they say civil servant, but then he rise to become director and also he become oga for inside the agricultural sector. You in talk and then say waiting they happen. They say we no get enabling environment, and when we dey talk enabling environment, electricity na number one. Electricity na number one, and I will try do some comparison in this video. Make we look at together. Wetin be the problem? Now, if they won't prove to us, Obasanjo to be precise, if Baba won't prove to us, say he spend 16 billion for electricity, and today we no fit boast of 5,000 megawatts. That means say problem dey. Wetin then take the money do? Wetin be the contract wey dem award? Which na equipment dem buy wey no dey work again? Or now wetin dem do with $16 billion? Now I dey try calculate that one on top my calculator. The thing they give me 15 point something error. I mean then of course the calculator no get the power to carry all the digits because now $16 billion. So if dollar is changed that they change dollar for Nigeria now, naira na 360, and so you go calculate that one yourself. We're talking of trillions and multiple folds. Now, maybe we quickly do one or two comparisons before we return back on that plate. Because I will want to make you to talk your own mind concerning electricity and concerning that $16 billion way Baba and whoever then talk say they spend on top electricity within that period where in the power. Well, no mind all the noise within my background because outside I be and serious matter, and I choose to just follow you talk for outside here and a weekend also. So everywhere just the bubble. But with me, I want to talk about certain countries. Not just like 4 countries now I pick. I pick 4 countries. I pick South Africa. I pick UK, United Kingdom. I pick Mexico. And I pick Canada. Now South Africa gets 56.72 million as population. 56.72 as population. And South Africa presently, they generate 51,309 megawatts of electricity. That is about 11 times waiting with the generate for Nigeria. Upon say $16 billion don't enter into power generation for Nigeria. Now, for that 51,309, then they generate 49,776 for thermal power stations and 4,533. We no reach everything where they generate for our own country. Then they generate them from renewable energy. That one is South Africa. Maybe we move on very quickly. Go United Kingdom. Everybody want wrong, go UK. Now something they there where would they wrong go do? Would they wrong go meet? One day somewhere where they say they don't go off light at all. If they want off light, now you off them yourself. If you don't get light, now you cause them. Now make we look the second one. Then get population. we dey about 66.04 million na im be their population. Now I dey try do calculations of the power wey dem dey generate. The power wey dem dey generate. Now the power wey dem dey generate as of 2014, the capacity of the installation for electricity dey at 85 gigawatts. That one kajad pass ordinary reasoning. As of 2014, and you know say these people dey improve. I no expect say na there dem go dey now. But remember say their population na 66,000 or 66.04 million. And so you can imagine say dem get excess electricity wey be say dem come dey give Ireland, give other European companies wey dey there surrounding, then dey give them lights. Dem get more than enough to give. By the time dem calculate am, put am into terawatt hour, e reach 439 terawatt hour wey dem get, wey dey installed. Now we go run quickly go the next one. Mexico gets 129.2 million population. That one they plenty small. 129.2 million population, and then they generate as of 2014. Then they generate 54 gigawatts. 54 gigawatts. Yes, now they all no reach UK own, but 54 gigawatts no be moi. 54 gigawatts no be moi. I can't do a little bit of survey. I enter them go check, something for the electricity, everything wey dem dey generate. Make I show you something wey I see there. I wan show you as I see am. They see for the say that they get different area, na different generation stations they get. They get the one for wind, they get the one for which one, hydro power, where we dey use majorly for this country. They get other ones for there. But they say by 2020 for wind alone by 2020 where we dey look now, by 2020 for wind alone, they say therefore don dey generate 12 gigawatts. For wind alone, therefore don dey generate 12 gigawatts. For wind alone, therefore don dey generate 12 gigawatts electricity by 2020, will be next year. Now make I tell you something really interesting. They say they need $14 billion to increase that, to get that, and then we achieve them through investments. $14 billion now they need. 14 billion to get them by 2020. We don't spend $16 billion as far back as 1999 to 2007. We don't spend $16 billion. And yet, today, we dey struggle to get 4,000 megawatts. When this regime enter first time, the thing go up. But now, the thing don dey drop again. We don dey happy when they talk say e don dey reach 4,500, say that they increase am. If na this era for Nigeria, now we dey talk of 5,000 megawatts with a population of over 200 million, where they increase every day. No be good thing to hear. No be good thing to hear. I mean, talk your mind for this matter. No be good thing to hear. Now I go tell you the last one. That one na Mexico. They need $14 billion to achieve that one. Say they go move from 2 gigawatts where they wind they give them before. They go increase them to 12 gigawatts. Listen to this. Canada, of course, now there everybody they run to now. People say they claim asylum. They enter Canada now. One of my sisters went to Canada talk say, they tell her about her house where they this place. She talk say, but still leave that one. Now Canada like they Well, I hear am. I hear you, auntie. You know, say I follow you talk. I don't tell you say not to spoil. You don't spoil anything. You know. Then Canada get 36.54 million population. 36.54 million population. You know how many megawatts then they generate? 100,829 megawatts. 100,829 megawatts. Now then they generate for electricity. I just hope say that means say the population itself no dey enough to consume wetin dem dey generate. You get wetin I talk? That means say the population itself no dey enough to consume wetin dem dey generate. I just hope say this probing wey dem wan do, wey House of Rep wan do, go well. Say dem go get to the root of this matter. And here I dey talk as Nigerian. As the thing dey hot for my body, because na real serious matter. Wetin we dey find? Wetin be our problem? Why we no allow progress dey this country? Why some people go just sit down, they gather trouble for this country? You plunge a whole nation into darkness. Some of you go, they use the money, they do all sorts of things for our family. E no good o. E no good o. E no good. Now tomorrow make we dey look. Our tomorrow na dey important. You where you dey today, think say na you dey power, na you dey there. Remember say tomorrow no be you get am. Na God get am. Na act of wickedness to put the destiny of over 200 million people inside darkness. You put the money for your pockets. And no point accusing figure, but whoever did the back of this matter, we go see. Because Bible say nothing wey dey hidden, wey no go dey exposed. God go expose you now. And this light wey you dey fight say no go dey this country because of na selfish interest. Because of selfish interest. Some of you dey import generators because of selfish interest. You no wan make light dey, but light go dey this country. Light go dey. We go generate over 200 megawatts. We go dey generate gigawatts for this country. And your eyes could be $16 billion. $16 billion. My people, drop your comments. Make we talk the matter together. But those of you who dey the back of this thing, know say God dey heaven. And that God will judge all of them. I pack myself from all this place. This one too much.